Hey there, virtual learners. This is Mr. Bondi, Instructional Technology Specialist with the Virtual Learning Center here in Virginia Beach. Welcome back to the channel where we have all the tips and tricks you need to rock your virtual learning experience. In today's video, we're going to be reviewing how to access the VLC's Canvas course. Let's get started. Once signing into Virtual Virginia and entering into Virtual Virginia's Canvas page, you will see all of the course cards that represent the courses you are enrolled in. In addition to those course cards, you will also find a course labeled Virtual Learning Center All Students. This is where you can access all of the Virginia Beach staff assigned to help you be as successful as you can be in virtual learning. Let's explore this course. In this course, you will find 3 buttons to choose from right away: elementary, middle, and high school. If you're an elementary student, you'll click on the elementary box and it will take you to this page right here. These are all of the people ready to help you at a moment's notice throughout your academic school day. You have your counselor, Miss Wiggins, with her email, phone number, as well as sending her a message in Canvas. You have your mentor, Miss Stouch, and you have me, Mr. Bondi, able to help you with technology support. We also have some important information down below, like our handbook, how to access my live technical support on a daily basis, as well as lunch bunch information where you can meet up with other Virginia Beach students. If you are a middle school student or a high school student, you will select the corresponding box for you. Here you'll see your specific counselor and your specific mentor. Lastly, there is some really great information for your families down below towards the bottom of the course. You have a welcome from our coordinator, Mr. Ensman, some information on textbooks and supplies, info for parents, as well as our technology night information and slideshows we've done in the past that has been updated with all of the new and correct information for this school year. As always, if you have questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to the VLC. We are happy to help you. That's all for today's video. I hope you all have a great day.